In this brief lecture, I am going to tell you about another data structure in Python, that is set.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
See, a set is a collection of unordered values. Right? These values are immutable. That means these values cannot be changed. The values of a set cannot be changed. You can equate this property with that of tuples, because in a tuple also we cannot change the values. Duplicate values are not allowed. Now this point is very important, because as far as lists and tuples are concerned, we people are allowed to have as many duplicate values as we want. But in a set, the values ought to be unique. The set values are also called items. The values are allowed to be heterogeneous. That means the items belonging to the set, they can belong to the different data types. The last important point is the items in a set are placed inside curly braces. Right? So if you remember, in case of lists and tuples, the items are placed in square brackets and parentheses respectively.